Hi all, this song is from Guns N' Roses. It is called Don't Cry. To play this intro from the song, we have a few chords here. First one is A minor, second one is D minor, third is G, and we have C add 9 and G slash B. Okay, so the intro starts with the 6th string 3rd fret as a bass note. So we got to play that with my little finger. If you are holding A minor chord shape, you can just lift your little finger and grab that 6th string 3rd fret. So hold that for one count and then we go for A minor chord. So we start with A minor chord. So for A minor chord we have 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4th string, but we play 4th string it as like open string. So 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just lift our chord and play that open string. Then we go to D minor chord. Here we play 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, from A minor, I'll come from that bass note. Then we go to G now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we go to 5th string open. So again we lift that first finger on the G chord and play 5th string open. So now we go to C add 9. You just gotta bring these two fingers down. So we have a 5, 4, 3. Then we go to G slash B. 5, 4, 3. So from G again. Small 2 notes, walk note here. We have 3rd fret on 5th string, then 2nd fret on the 5th string, then we are back to A minor. So from C add 9. So second round, A minor and D minor we play the same thing. Only when we go to G, we pluck 6, 5, 4. Then we gotta ring the 1st and 2nd string together. So 6, 5, 4. So from the second part, from A minor chord. So then we go the small walk note here. So 6th string 2nd fret. 6th string 3rd fret, 6th string 4th fret, then we ring this A 5th chord here, holding 2nd fret on the 4th string and 5th string open. So we play this 5 and 4 together. So I'm adding a palm muting to that 6th string.